evaluate the competition of a potential area or of a potential site? How do you gauge that, and how do you go about basically the evaluation process for competing business? Mike,
Mm.
I'll start with you on that one.
I don't think we're going to go and, put a laundromat right next door to someone or maybe right across the street. But I think about our store in Irving, and there are 10 laundromats within 2 miles of our store. If you drew
Wow.
2 square miles, that's a lot.
Yeah.
But some of them are distressed, and some of them don't have the drop-off laundry that we have, and some of them are maybe focused on, have might have gambling machines in them. I mean, that's not us. We're strictly doing laundry. So, I mean, we look at the competition. We're not afraid of the competition because we know we have a good product, and we know when our build out's done, it's going to wow people. So
Hmm.
we're not afraid of the competition, but I doubt we would go build a store across the street from someone. I mean, I don't think I could do that in my own heart anyway, but I think we're not afraid of the competition. I think our population continues to grow. I think laundry, especially, I think it's being looked at something different. It's a time suck activity, and people are trying to figure out how to get it done quickly and get back some of their time. So we're not
Right.
afraid of the competition, but I mean, I don't think we're going to build next door to someone.
Right.
I don't know if that answered your question, but
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah,
okay.
it does. Yeah. Lee, how about you as far as evaluating the local competition as you choose sites?
Yeah, well, I think one thing to keep in mind is how you define competition. So in our industry, when we say competition or competitor, we're thinking about, the zombie mat that's about a mile away, maybe 2 miles away. And it's important to remember that our competitor is pretty much any washing machine that is within a 2 mile radius of our store. So it is, where do the people with dirty laundry clean their laundry? And
Hmm.
so what we decided is, we are not fighting for people who have to use a laundromat. That's such a small pie. And so
Hmm.
what we decided is to radically change the experience that our
Hmm.
customer has when they come into the Wash House Laundromat's location.
Hmm.
And what that has done is completely opened up what our competitor looks like. So now we are competing directly with a 200 unit apartment complex that has three nice facilities within their building. They may have only three top loaders and three little dryers, but those residents can go on a Saturday and do their laundry there. But what we decided was, let's make ours not just a better experience, but something that it's worth making them come to us rather than dragging their stuff down to the laundry facility on site. And so we did that by just stepping up our game. And
Hmm.
we are clean, safe, pretty good value. We charge as much as we can to be
Hmm.
profitable, but we still do. And so that completely changes the mindset of who is our competitor.
Hmm.
So it in the mindset of direct competitor, like Mike said, we do not go and put in a location across from a direct competitor, another laundromat.
Right.
We have had a few come into our area, and we just keep doing what we're doing. We
Hmm.
serve our customer with excellence, and we rarely see any dip in revenues when another laundromat opens within, a half mile, maybe a mile.
Hmm.
We want to be our own competitor, and so we're really big on
Hmm.
um, kind of dominating a market. Like
Right.
like Mike saying, Dallas is a big place. Maybe your town that you're thinking about building a laundromat is a big place, or maybe it's a small place,
Hmm.
and you want to be the best game in town. And so that means making sure that, if I'd had a conversation the other day, guy, his wife was with us, and he said, "You know what? My wife actually used your store the other day. Their washing machine broke." And she said, "It was amazing." She said, "I went in and I spent about an hour and a half and got it all done. And
Right.
so there again, it's something that we can compete with, and that's volume, capacity, that we call it. And you can get a lot done in a very small amount of time because we have the capacity available. And a lot of our competitors do not have that. So
Mhm.
don't over equip, but equip
Mhm.
enough so that your target customer can have the type of capacity and get in and out pretty quickly.
Right. Great advice.